Did you know that in 2024, your ticket to prosperity lies in understanding the transformative power of creating GPTs? That's why today we'll explore a beginner's guide to financial successes with ChatGPT, unlocking the secrets to a prosperous future. In the dynamic and ever-evolving landscape of technology, AI agents have emerged as the superheroes of our era. Unlike traditional chatbots, these agents are powered by sophisticated algorithms that transcend basic conversational abilities. They go beyond mere scripted responses, seamlessly blending knowledge, prompts, and actions to provide users with a more intelligent and interactive experience. As you venture into the world of GPT creation, you undergo a transformative journey, transitioning from a passive user to an active creator with unparalleled potential. These AI agents, with their unique fusion of capabilities, signify a significant shift in how we perceive and harness technology. They're not confined to being mere lines of code, instead they represent a groundbreaking advancement that's shaping the future of human interaction with machines. This transformation's more than a technological upgrade, it's a paradigm shift that opens doors to new possibilities and redefines the role of technology in our lives. The expansive realm of AI agents is currently undergoing a phase of rapid expansion, creating a landscape that's brimming with unprecedented possibilities. Major industry players include OpenAI, Google, and Amazon are injecting substantial investments into this domain, acknowledging the transformative potential it holds. This surge of interest and resources is indicative of the profound impact AI agents are expected to have on various sectors. In the midst of this technological revolution, mastering the skills required to construct these AI agents propels you to the forefront of a unique and unparalleled opportunity. The horizon within this field is expansive, providing a vast canvas for those who possess the ability to navigate and innovate. Being at the forefront of this burgeoning landscape means being in a position to shape the future of technology. Every development, every skill mastered, and every creation has the potential to contribute significantly to the evolution of AI agents and consequently the broader technological landscape. The ongoing competition among technology giants is reaching new heights as they fearlessly venture into the dynamic realm of AI agents. Beyond the development of advanced models, OpenAI's competitors such as Anthropic are making substantial strides by introducing API tool usage, allowing for the incorporation of custom actions. This move represents a pivotal shift towards customization and user-specific functionalities, highlighting the evolution of AI agents beyond standardized applications. Google Gemini, positioned as a potential GPT-4 competitor, is preparing to support custom actions, signaling a substantial leap in AI capabilities. The focus on custom actions indicates a recognition of the growing demand for tailored and personalized AI experiences. Even Amazon, known for its dominance in cloud services, is gearing up to include agent creation and hosting within its extensive offerings. The collective move by these industry leaders underscores a shared vision. The future of AI agents revolves around customization and personalized actions, defining the next frontier of technological innovation. Beyond the realm of personal productivity, the skills to create GPTs open doors to online income generation. As AI agents continue to evolve, so do the prospects for individuals who can harness their potential for economic success in the digital age. Here are some skills that are needed to be a GPT Pro and can make you a lot of money. Number 1. Market research and use case identification. Alright, let's dive into the world of making some serious cash with your GPT skills. Picture yourself as a superhero in the business world. Companies are out there desperately seeking solutions, and who do they turn to? That's right, it's you. Become a market research ninja, spot those high-value use cases, and suddenly you're the go-to GPT guru for all things innovative and in demand. Number 2, data sourcing, preparation, and curation. Now let's talk about turning data into dollars. Being a GPT maestro means you've got to master the art of collecting, preparing, and curating data. Your GPT's superpowers? They come from the data it processes. Collect public, hidden, and private data like a pro. Give it some tender loving care during preparation and voila, you've got a knowledge base that makes your GPT stand out. In a world thirsty for data-driven insights, your skills become the secret sauce for creating GPTs that deliver unmatched value. Number 3, prompt engineering. Time for precision and results. The money train keeps rolling when you become a prompt maestro. Your GPT's output, it's all about the quality of your instructions. Craft those prompts like a boss and suddenly your GPTs not only understands, but delivers exactly what users want. It's not just about guiding the GPT, it's about shaping responses to align with user goals. Your creations become the VIPs in various applications. And guess who's raking in the rewards? Number 4, tool creation. Give your GPT some swagger with custom tools. Whether you're playing with free APIs, diving into low-code or no-code platforms, or creating your own functions, this skill makes your GPT stand out. Custom actions become your GPT's signature moves, addressing specific needs and offering unique solutions. In a world where everyone wants a GPT with a little extra, your expertise in tool creation puts your creations at the top of the innovation game. 5. GPT Marketing. Time to make your GPT the rock star it deserves to be. Once your GPT is a masterpiece, it's showtime. Use Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, or TikTok to flaunt your creation to the world. This isn't just about tech, it's about telling a killer story. Highlight those GPT strengths, show off its applications, and watch the audience flood in. Your GPT isn't just a tech marvel, it's a moneymaker, and strategic marketing is the key to unlocking its full financial potential. Understanding the dynamics of GPT Store is akin to possessing a secret map leading to success. It's not merely about constructing GPTs, it involves anticipating the direction of market trends and staying a step ahead of the curve. Imagine yourself as the trendsetter in a world where staying ahead of trends can determine success or failure. Start your journey with the GPT Store as it transitions through various phases, evolving from basic to creative and invaluable GPTs. Envision yourself as the captain of this metaphorical ship, navigating through uncharted waters. Your pivotal role is to position yourself as a trendsetter, offering not just GPTs, but ones that are unique and highly valuable. Be the pioneer who crafts solutions that others haven't even fathomed, setting the standard for innovation in the GPT landscape. Transform your GPT into masterpieces, transcending the realm of mere code assembly. This is about creating art. Utilize expert prompting, infuse unique data, mixing curated data with the finesse of a chef, crafting a special recipe, and incorporate powerful actions that elevate your GPTs above the rest. In a world saturated with duplicates, be the true innovator. Steer away from copying and pasting, instead forge a new path. Your GPT should be the one that others look at and say, I wish I'd thought of that. Set the bar high and let your creations stand as beacons of originality in the vast sea of GPTs. Making money with your GPT skills isn't just about coding expertise, it's about sprinkling a bit of entrepreneurial magic on your creations. Think of yourself as not just a coder, but a problem solver and opportunity seeker. The game's not only about lines of code, it's about identifying opportunities, tackling real-world problems, and leaving a meaningful impact. Your GPT skills are the keys to a treasure trove of possibilities. Imagine being the go-to person for businesses hungry for what your GPTs have to offer. It's not a niche market, it's everyone. Businesses of all shapes and sizes are in the game, whether they're yearning for automated customer support, seeking assistance in the digital realm, or looking for content automation tools to sprinkle some magic on their solopreneur ventures. The possibilities are vast. You're not just a creator, you're a problem solver, and in the world of business, that's where the real value lies. To hit the jackpot, your GPT shouldn't be stuck in chat interfaces. They need to break free, spread their wings, and dive into the depths of real-world problems. Master the skills necessary to create GPTs that don't just chat, but also roll up their sleeves to solve practical challenges. It's like taking a GPT from the minor leagues to the championship. Big moves for big payouts. The release of the GPT Store isn't just a launch, it's a game changer. It opens up an avenue to sell your AI agents to businesses, offering solutions that can genuinely revolutionize their operations. You have the chance to be a pioneer in the AI revolution, crafting solutions that redefine how businesses operate and setting the stage for a new era in technology. It's not just about making money, it's about making an impact. In conclusion, this marks the end of our video on Beginner's Guide to Unlocking Wealth with ChatGPT. The future is brimming with opportunities, and you have the potential to become the superstar of the AI world, turning your GPT dreams into reality. We hope you found this video insightful. If you enjoyed the content, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. The journey to AI success is just beginning, and we're excited to see where it takes you. Cheers to your future endeavors with ChatGPT.